So hello everyone. So in today's discussion we are going to discuss on the concept design thinking based teaching methodology in partial differential equations. Okay. So already I have given you some idea on what is partial differential equation. So I think you all remember partial differential equations are differential equations with more than one variable, more than one independent variable. So first of all, why should we have partial differential equations? What was the necessity for partial differential equations? Okay. So that is the concept I am going to connect with design thinking. So you all very well know the first point of design thinking is empathy. So empathy is nothing but we can call it as a requirement, a pain point, a necessity, okay, for a particular community or society, whatever may be. Got it? So partial differential equations, as I told you, it has more than one independent variable. For example, if you are going to plan, if you are going to think about a water supply from corporation tank to your home, you think and see what are all the problems it will face before it reaches your home. It moves through a pipeline. Am I right? The pipeline should not get damaged due to, there are various reasons. There may be various reasons. Maybe a bike or a car might travel in a road under which the pipeline is moving. Okay, there may be some kind of rupture in the pipelines, or there may be some breakage in there. So each and every scenario is taken as independent variables. It is taken as independent variables. So we use the concept as a notation, a general model like dou z by. So this z is a function. Maybe to our scenario, let us connect with water supply. So z is the water supply. Okay. So z is a function which talks about water supply. With what are all the variables it is getting connected? Maybe number one, maybe one of the variable point, one of the variable independent point can be water flow speed. Maybe it is connected with water flow speed, that is the speed level with which the water comes to a home. So maybe the speed level, certain days it will be down, certain days it will be high, certain days it will be very low. So the speed level of the water transport. Then next is maybe some breakage due to various reasons. Breakage due to corrosion or some kind of thing. So the other part, maybe there is a crack in the pipeline, so the water goes away. Because of that, you lose the water to your home. So each and every variable denotes one particular situation. Connecting all those things, we want water supply. So in ordinary differential equation, we were talking about only one variable. With respect to one independent variable, we will be working on the function. Now, with respect to several variables, we can work on the function. Says we have used z, the same z here, we can use even a small z here. So function we give a notation in capital Z. Okay. So this is how we can work on. So the first point is empathy, that is the requirement or pain point for which we are going to plan. So here maybe the water supply can I connect with define. So I am going to define a problem. I am going to analyze the scenario. I am going to take some remedy measures. So in that I am trying to connect with design. I am going to design a model to understand the water supply flow and all the pipelines, all the structure, so that I am trying to get some remedies, some decision taking concept, some solution to rectify these kinds of scenarios. So in that, what I will do in the next point, I will do some ideations. So I will do some lot of ideas. So I will think on lot of ideas, lot of methodologies. What are all the methodologies available, possibly suitable for this partial differential equation connected with water flow. Okay, I am connecting this with water flow. Okay, so I am going to see what are the possible methodologies or ideas I have, so that I can connect with this scenario. Then, in that I am going to particularize the case. In that I am going to confirm with one idea, one plan, and I am going to work on that. I am going to work on that. I am going to derive results for it. I mean, we have to take one particular perfect appropriate methodology and we have to work with it. So that I will get some conclusions, some outcomes. With that, I can test the model. I can test in order to validate, my model so that a perfect model can be created. So for partial differential equations, we can work with design thinking to arrive new ideas, okay, new structures.